Installation Guide FLUIX Tri-SWIFT Intel Water Block. Start by flipping the motherboard onto its back. Place the rubber pad behind the motherboard socket, lining up the 4 mounting holes. While holding the rubber pad still, flip to the front of the motherboard to insert a single mounting post through one of the mount holes and rubber pad. Insert the metal backplate onto the back of the motherboard, and while holding it in place, thread the mounting post into the metal backplate using only finger strength as shown. Now thread the remaining 3 mounting posts into the metal backplate in a cross pattern. Remember to only use your fingers, do not use tools. Apply new thermal paste. We recommend using a spatula to spread the paste to cover the full IHS. Now it's time to mount the Tri-SWIFT Water Block. Place the Tri-SWIFT Water Block on top of the CPU, give the block a wiggle back and forth to eliminate air bubbles in the paste. Place the 4 compression springs on top of the 4 mounting posts. Thread the thumb screws to the mounting posts in a cross pattern. Use only finger strength. Finally, check the mount by trying to move the block. The block should not move and be firmly mounted to the CPU.